Hello, today we will be demonstrating how to exchange the battery in the mini-Ligno pin-type moisture meters. When you depress and hold the center on and off switch and no light appears, your battery is dead. To replace the battery, unscrew the screw on the back of the meter with either a screwdriver or a quarter works as well. Once the meter is opened, the 9-volt battery sits in the front of the meter hooked up to the circuit board. Simply unravel the battery and replace it with a new one. Once the new battery is connected, roll up the battery cable, and now you're ready to put the back on the meter. Making sure that the top is connected using the palm of your hands. Now depress and hold the center on and off switch and the light should appear. Thanks for watching.